Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to share with you a Target and Dollar Tree haul. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the first thing we picked up is some baby wipes. We normally get them from Amazon, but we were running low, so I decided to go ahead and get some. We still have 5 more days and then our Amazon shipment gets here, but to be safe, we needed to get some, and then I got some pretzel rods that are kind of broken though. Unfortunately, I might need to return these and get a fresh pack. So I got these for her birthday party. So I'm planning on putting chocolate on these. These were a hit on her birthday last year. So that is the plan for these. But again, I actually got this one in particular delivered and it's kind of broken. I should have known better, but you live and you learn. If you watch me for any video, you guys know I absolutely love this creamer. It is my favorite. It is the sweet and creamy. And every time we go, they usually only have one left, but this time they had a lot. So I picked up 4 so that I don't run out. Priorities. We got some honey, Honest Kids organic strawberry and peach juice for my daughter. We normally get her apple juice, but we decided to go ahead and try this one and see how she likes it. We got 2 more of these. We actually already have 2, but we decided to pick up some extra. That is actually the water that we use for our ice machine. We got some Alfredo sauce, peanut butter and jelly. Priorities. I like the grape jelly. Which one do you prefer, strawberry or grape? I personally love the grape. I got some sauce for spaghetti, and we were running low on garlic powder. I really wanted to get this at the dollar store because I thought it would be cheaper at the dollar store. This was like $5. That's ridiculous for garlic powder. Anywho, I got some chocolate. This is the chocolate that I actually use on our coffee. I got some breadcrumbs. I use this on meatloaf and also when I make meatballs for like spaghetti. You guys know I needed to get some mandolines. I love mandolines. Got some Activia yogurt. I only got a pack of 4 instead of the huge pack because this does loosen my daughter's tummy up. It is good for her, but I don't, no. So yeah, I just got a couple so that we won't go overboard. I saw that they had some bandages, Looney Tune bandages for $1. Sometimes my daughter sees these and wants to play with them like stickers. So I grabbed these because it won't hurt so much, like $5 pack, and she's like ruining it. Please no. I picked up some mac and cheese. We don't go through these as fast as you probably think. I love that it has like a little pause, but I love having them on hand just in case. And last time I actually needed like 3 or 4 to make it for like a cookout, and I didn't have any, so I picked up a lot more this time. And for the rods, I actually picked up the sprinkles to go on top of it since it is frozen theme. Gusita. And then my daughter absolutely loves Doritos, so I got the small bags of 10 Doritos because just to have a snack every once in a while. I have to hide those though because if she sees them, she wants them. And then my husband was like, "Oh, let's eat healthier chips." He does not know I purchased the Doritos, but we got some Sun Chips. This reminds me of high school and childhood. So he got the French onion and the harvest cheddar. All right, guys, and that is it for this Target haul. All right, so they have a lot of back to school stuff out right now. I didn't go crazy. I literally just got a couple things here and there, and I got a couple things that we needed and a couple things that I thought would be good for my daughter's birthday party. So let's jump into it. Let's start out with what we picked out for the goodie bags. So for the goodie bags, there's only going to be 2 kids additional for my daughter. So I picked up some um, bubbles. The theme is going to be Frozen, so that's why I got that. My daughter, actually, my husband picked this out for my daughter. Little Antonito from Encanto. We already have a lot of these, so my husband just wanted to get a couple more. I actually honestly think my daughter threw these in there. I don't even think he did. I think she did. And then I got another one of these guys. I use these sometimes to wash dishes. We got some paper towels. We always get these to keep in the bathrooms. My husband got some snacks, some tajin gummies. He picked up 2 movies. This one and this one. Like, he picked up movies that we won't be able to watch with our toddler, but whatever. He also got this, I think, like beef jerky thing. And then, so for my daughter, I actually picked up a couple things from the back to school department. So I originally picked these things out in pink because she already has one in pink. So I was like, let me just stick with the theme. So, but when she saw the purple one, she literally said, "Purple, mommy." No, 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 purple. So I had to put back out the pink. So I got the purple. I don't mind. I actually like purple better than pink, anyways. But it's this really pretty lilac color. They had one with the cheetah. I was so happy that I saw the ones without, though. And then I got this guy. She has one, but it's a lot smaller, so we could put like crayons and pencils. And then I saw this, and I think it'd be good to put like some of her coloring stuff in here. We'll see, but just to keep that stuff organized and situated. You guys saw one of my past hauls. I did get one of these before, and I said I wanted to paint it red. I still want to do that, but I decided to get another one because she does have like little people, and then she has like melons and stuff like that. I just got another one to put some additional stuff in it to keep it organized. Right now, her other one's actually holding all her clay stuff, so that's why I wanted to get one of these. So for my kitchen, I picked up some dish, what are these even called? Dish drying mats. And I actually just placed this next to my sink so that, I won't get water everywhere. I guess you probably already see what's right here, but my husband got some combs. He said one's for him and one is for her daughter. And then I actually really like picking these up to take with us when we go places. And it's the little Cheerio packs for $1.25, and it comes with a lot of Cheerios. So I got this because my daughter loves Cheerios. Actually, I do too, but I love actually eating them without milk. We did need some spoons and forks, not for the birthday party, just in general. I needed some spoons and forks. You guys, I found these at Dollar Tree and I got so excited. So they are basically ribbons, and they're frozen ribbons. So it focus. There we go. They're frozen ribbons of Olaf. So I actually picked up 6 of them. Again, her birthday party is going to be frozen themed, so I'm so excited that I found these. We got some paper plates. He wanted some, like, what did he say? He wanted some, like, paper plates, literally paper plates. We got some paper plates. He said he needed another one of these, so he got that. And then I picked up some bags. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. I think I'm gonna use the bags to put like the toddlers' snacks in before I put them in their goodie bag, or something like that. I did pick up some of these, not really realizing that I should have picked it up in general. So I picked up 2 light blue and 2 dark blue. I actually want to do the backdrop for her birthday party, but I should have got 2 more of each just for the actual tables, which we'll go back to Dollar Tree. But yeah, I'm gonna make the backdrop for her birthday, so we'll see how that comes out. And then last but not least, I saw these guys. So this is a candy jar with a lid for $1.25. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. So I'm gonna put some stuff in this one and in this one for the birthday party, and just fill it up with like blue and purple kind of, like, treats and stuff like that. That was a really, really, really good deal. But yeah, that is literally it. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.